This 2015 Fleetwood Excursion 33D is a Class A RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Fleetwood is 34 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, refrigerator, slide-out, DVD player, skylight, awning, air conditioning, external shower, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, and 77 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features rear bedroom. This 2015 Fleetwood Excursion 33D is built on a Freightliner XC-Series chassis and is powered by a Cummins engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.